Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to embed a PPT file, that is a PowerPoint file, inside a HTML web page. So let's get started. For this activity, I have already created one sample HTML page. So I'll just do a right click on this file, open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so over here you can see it is having HTML tags, HTML start and end tag. In head, we have just given a title to our web page, that is my website, and in the body tag we have used one heading, that is embed a PowerPoint file in your website. So I'll just do a control save and open this with Google Chrome. Okay, now over here we are going to embed a PowerPoint file. Okay, so this PowerPoint file I've already uploaded to Google Drive. So let's go to the Google Drive. Okay, so game board, infographics, poster, it's a sample PPT file. I'll just open it. It is having two pages. Okay, now to embed this file inside our HTML page, what we need to do, we need to click on this file, click on share, click on publish to web. Okay, go to the embed tab. Okay, over here you get an option slide size. Okay, if you want small, medium, large, custom, I'll go with the medium. Then two options, that is to start slideshow as soon as the player loads. Okay, if we click this, the slides will change after every 3 seconds. Okay, so I'll just check this. Second option is to restart the slideshow after the last slide. So once the slideshow starts and if you want it to restart it, I'll just check this as well. Okay, now click on publish, click on OK. So once you have clicked on published, it is live and you will get this iframe tag. Okay, just copy this part. At the bottom there is one more option, that is publish content and settings. Okay, if you want to stop publishing anytime, you can click on this and this link will stop working. Okay, so right now we'll just close this, go back to our HTML page. Over here we just need to paste that code. Okay, so this is the iframe tag which we have got. I'll just make this code much more readable. Okay, you can change the height and width. Let me change it to decent size. Okay, and control save. We have already opened this page over here, so I'll just reload. See, we are able to see the PPT which is hosted on Google Drive, and it is now embedded in our HTML page, and it is also a slideshow is also activated. So after every 3 seconds the slide gets changed. Okay, there is additional options. If you click on these three dots, you get options like turn on laser pointer. If you click on these three dots, you also get to turn it off. Then turn on the pen. Okay, you can write something if you want. You can also erase it. Okay, erase all. Then if you click on these three dots, you also get the enter full screen mode, autoplay. Okay, in autoplay you can stop the loop as well as change the time after how much time this slide should change. Okay, then in more options you get keyboard shortcuts. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.